Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now by making power safe, turn off the breaker and unplug the dishwasher. This prevents shocks. Once done, remove the lower grill and open the door fully, then support the door so it won't drop. Next, use a Torx T15 and Phillips screwdriver to remove the inner door liner screws. Keep screws organized. Make sure to have the replacement control panel and trim tool ready. You'll access the control assembly behind the inner liner in the next stage. You'll now expose the control module by carefully peeling back the inner door liner. Work slowly to avoid cracking plastic. Once visible, locate the ribbon cable and wiring harness, then depress the small latches and gently slide the ribbon out. Note its orientation for reinstallation. Remove mounting screws and free the old control module, then position the new module, secure it to the bracket, and reconnect the ribbon and harness firmly. Tighten screws snugly. This ensures button alignment and reliable electrical contact. Once the new control is secured, reattach the inner door liner, reinstall all screws, and resecure any trim pieces you removed. Make sure the door closes smoothly. Restore power and run a short diagnostic or rinse cycle to confirm buttons, LED, and cycle selection work correctly. If something fails, first power down, then reseat the ribbon cable and harness. Loose connections are the most common issue. If errors persist, check the dishwasher error codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.